Hello, today I have Volkswagen Passat B6 with problem with parking assist. So if we put reverse, this switch is blinking, so it indicates that we have fault in our system Park Assist. So to know what the problem, we have to plug Diagnostic and see what the fault is in the system. So I plug our scanner and we can look what the fault. So we have two faults, one active, one no. So right front park assist sensor. So we have to go to the front bumper and do some tests to find out what is the sensor fault or maybe the wiring. So let's go. So we have the diagnostic show us that this sensor is not working. So firstly we can check our sensors with ears. So I'll show you how to do it. So firstly we can test once again our Parktronic with simple test with our ears. So turn ignition on, take this to the reverse and let's go for the first one. You should hear the clicking sound if you put your finger gently next to the parking sensor. So listen. A sticking sound. So this one, it's not loud, but you can hear it. So this one, definitely ticking. So our faulty sensor, no sound. So this maybe can be the faulty wiring or the sensor. So I have already new one. So firstly we can try to plug this one. But if you don't have the new one, you can test your wires with simple trick. So you can swap this sensor to this one or maybe another one and look if this sensor works in other place. It's sticking, so its sensor should be fine, so you have problem with your wiring. But if the sensor not work in other place, there is totally the sensor issue. So in this car we can try reach the sensor, maybe to remove this plastic and reach from the side. So maybe we don't have to remove all bumper. So let's try. So firstly we have to unscrew this screw down here. I already unscrew it. Then you have to take this plastic, just only plastic fixator here, and you can remove this one. There is a screw down here, this one, so we can take this out. The screw is right here. So we try to reach our sensor. Oh, I definitely feel it. So it have two clips. Hola! We don't have to remove our bumper. So we have our sensor. Now we can replace with new one. So this clips just this, you have to push this fixator. So we can test it. Leave this right this and go for a test. So you can hear it, the sound is the system working, and this switch is not blinking anymore. So your Park Assist sensor system is alive. So now we have to put everything together and the car will be fixed. Thanks for watching.